What is up, guys? Welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Wommack, and today we want to recreate this UFO361 look right here. He posted it a few days ago on his Instagram account, and since then I got a lot of requests from you guys asking me to show you how to recreate this look with your mobile phone and the free Lightroom app only. Then also Ruven, you sent me this picture of you to edit in one of my videos, and I thought it was the perfect fit for this edit today for that UFO361 look, and that's what I want to show you today. Of course, as always, I've also created a preset on exactly this look. It's on my website, the link is under this video, and it's now in the all presets pack with over 150 presets to easily paste to every one of your pictures. So if you already have the all presets pack, it's in there now. You can start working with it. If you don't, I really recommend this pack because every time I create new presets, they're automatically updated to the pack. So you just have to buy it once and you'll get new presets on a weekly basis. I think it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell, and of course, if there's anything you need from me, if you have any questions or ideas for new videos, anything like that, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @Wommack is my handle. Now I've said enough. The first thing we want to do, of course, is open the picture in the free Lightroom app, and I'll show you how to create this UFO361 look right now. So we open the Lightroom app and we have this picture of Ruven already open here. The first thing we want to do in the lights tab is go to curve on the upper right side and just recreate this basic S curve to kind of bring out the contrast a little more. Once you have this curve as it is right here, we're done. Then we just want to boost up the exposure a little bit to around plus 0.24. We want to pull down the contrast to -23 right here. Boost up the highlights a little bit to plus 25. Pull down the shadows to -18 and pull down the blacks all the way to -33 right here. Then we're done with the lights. We go to the color, and what you want to do is just boost up the temperature a little bit to plus 15, and then we want to pull down the saturation a little bit to -5, and we scroll up, hit grading, and what you want to do for the shadows is bring that blue green tint to the shadow. So we choose a hue of around 192, that green blue area, and now we boost up the saturation all the way to, in this case, 32 is perfect, and we can see the hoodie, the background, all the dark spots getting that green tint, which is absolutely what we're going for. The midtones, what you want to do is push the hue to 38, that orange area, and then boost up the saturation all the way to 24 right here. And for the highlights, we want to go to a hue of around 60 and boost up the saturation to, in this case, 28 is perfect, to just add some orange, almost yellow tones to the highlights, and then we're done here. Now we go to the mix on the upper right side, and for the red tones, what you want to do is boost the hue to plus 29 or 30, pull down the saturation to -23, and then boost up the luminance to plus 19 in this case. The orange tones, we leave the hue at 0, but boost up the saturation to plus 15 just to bring the skin tones out. And then the luminance, we're going to boost that up to plus 14. Go over to the yellow tones, and here we just want to pull down the saturation a little bit to -37 in this case. And then we're done with the color. We go over to the effects tab. What you want to do here is just dehaze a little bit, so boost that up to around plus 15 to get a little bit of crisp back in, get that contrast back in. And now, of course, we want some grain, so we boost that up all the way to 32, and we can see that vintage look, and we're done here. And that's it, guys. Here's a before and after once again. And Ruven, I hope you're happy with this picture, with the edit that we did today, and the rest of you guys requesting that UFO361 look. I hope you're happy with this result. I think we came super close to his look. We have those green tints in the shadows, we have the grain, we have the color tones right, the contrast right. I think we absolutely nailed this, keeping in mind we're only using our smartphone and the free Lightroom app. Now, of course, as I said in the beginning, I've created a preset on exactly this look. If you want to save some time, feel free to download it from my all presets pack. Link is under this video, and that pack includes over 150 presets for you to just easily paste to every one of your pictures. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell, show some love, and of course, if there's anything you need from me or you have any questions or ideas for new videos, always feel free to reach out to me on Instagram. Steven Wommack is my handle. And I'm always excited to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.